Somebody mentioned the other day, watch him, he turns the pencil. Yes, I've been telling you, I rotate my pencil. That is to, for a lot of reasons. It's kind of a little swagger when you go up to a golf ball and you see people bring the club back and they face the ball again and they bring it back, and then finally after the third or fourth time they go and hit the ball. I guess in some ways it's like that for me, but I also am rotating this pencil. And when I stop, you'll see this is what I do. It looks like it could be the same because I always have the flat part on my thumb or finger in the same way. And so you'll maybe not notice that it is actually rotating as much as it is. But when I do this, I'm rotating my pencil. And that helps me maintain my point. And that's the point I want to make. A lot of advantages. Instead of just wearing that tip down till it's almost like a crayon. When I stop, and you'll see, just like on this facet here, I will be on a facet just like that again, because I'm just going to go ahead and rotate that around. But it's comfortable with those flat parts. I'm used to how it feels in my hand, and so I'm constantly doing that because I'm now sharpening my pencil. I always want to have a sharp edge, and also it just kind of helps me. It's just kind of a habit. I want to just size things up, and while I'm doing that, I'm going, okay, I'm ready. Maybe it's like even a baseball player just practicing that he's going to hit the ball up there at the plate, and you'll see too, along with using the pencil at an angle like that. I'm not doing this. Once in a great while, you might see me make a little dot on something like that. But I don't point my pencil at the paper. And I'm always conscious of the amount of pressure I have on my paper because I don't want to score it. And I want to be able to remove my pencil, my graphite. I just want to remove it. I don't want to be trapped into an interpretation that I end up by not liking.